Hi guys, today we talk about a ton of content source on your app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go above this sign here in app, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here and you click here on number settings. So then you come to this list here, then you just go down here, you click here on neighborhood settings. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on post settings. So then you come to content source here, and you come here to content source, click in this sign, the sign or this color, and like you see here color it's gone, that's mean it's on off now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.